You need to hear this if you're a soup enthusiast. Lavonne is in her kitchen and she's about to share her secret broccoli cheddar soup recipe. First, grab some fresh broccoli and onion butter, flour, chicken broth, heavy whipping cream, and loads of cheddar cheese. Start by melting butter in a pot over medium heat, then toss in the chopped onion until it's golden. Now sprinkle in some flour and stir until it forms a smooth paste. Next, pour in the chicken broth and keep stirring until it thickens up. Add in your chopped broccoli and let it simmer until tender. Now the magic happens. Stir in the heavy whipping cream and all that glorious cheddar cheese until it's melted and wonderfully creamy. And voila, you've got yourself a pot of comfort food. If you love this recipe, you'll adore her cookbook, Lavonne's Kitchen: Learning to Cook with Love. And don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel, Lavonne's Kitchen, for more delicious recipes. See you next time in Lavonne's Kitchen.